I'm going to start this video with a story. A woman I know told me that, well, I'm not really sure if my boyfriend likes me or not. So I said to her, hey, I have a way to find out, but you have to really be committed because this method really works. And she was like, yeah, okay, let's do it. So we did it. And you do it with your pendulum. And sure enough, the next day, the guy broke up with her. But he had been stringing her along for months, like pretending that he liked her, but wasn't really committing. So I'm going to show you a method right now that's extremely powerful. And if you want to find out if your partner really likes you or not, or if the relationship is meant to last, you can do this process with your pendulum and you will find out. So let's go. So what do you need in order to do this? Well, first of all, you need a pendulum. I like to use these high vibration pendulums. They have really good energy. So if you're a clairvoyant or clairsentient, you can literally feel the energy on these pendulums. You might even be able to feel it right now coming off the screen. These are ones that I custom design. I designed this one myself and I have them custom made because they're really good for this kind of thing. But if you don't have one of these for the time being, you can just use whatever pendulum you have. All right. Next, you're going to have to rotate the pendulum while you say some phrases. And the rotation does not happen by itself. Your hand is moving the pendulum. Some of you, it may appear like it's happening by itself, but it's actually you're the one doing it. So just keep that in mind because you can start the rotation and you can stop it as well. And this is important because you don't need to let it rotate for a long time. It's not going to make it any more effective if you do it for a long time. A short time is just as good as a long time. Okay, finally, you need to know what to say. So the process, as I said, be warned that it's extremely potent and you may not like the results. So if you're just praying that your boyfriend wants to stay with you, or maybe your girlfriend, if you're dead set on that outcome, then I wouldn't do this method because you may not get the result that you want. But this is a very decisive sort of action that you can take that will energetically shift things and push them in one direction or the other, and you'll get clarity. You can do this with friendships too. It's not just limited to romantic relationships. So if there's someone you're having trouble with in a relation or someone you want to get, you want to determine should they stay in my life or leave my life, you can do this process as well and it works just as good. All right, so the first step is you get your pendulum rotating and then you say the following. You say, send love to the cord between me and the other person. So you're sending love to the energetic connection or the energetic cord between you and the other person. Okay, let it rotate a little while, then let it stop. Then you're going to do the next one. Send silver energy to the cord between me and the other person. Now, silver is the energy of endings. It's the silver thread. It's also a combination of black and white. It's basically an energetic of endings. And I explained it in my book, Pendulum Alchemy, about the theory about why that is, but just know it's extremely potent. And you don't need to let it spin as long as it did. I just was talking, so it kept spinning. All right. Then, so you've sent love, you've sent silver, and then you say, if it's in my highest good, the person's highest good, you can say their name. And the highest good of all concerned, our relationship will continue. And then you can say, if it's in my highest good, their highest good, and the highest good of all concerned, our relationship will end. This is called the bless it or block it. And then you can say this or something better. If the relationship is weak, or if it's kind of sketchy, or if it's not going in a good direction, it's probably going to end it. Or it's going to start causing the ending to unfold. And you can, if that happens, just send love to the other person, wish them well, and don't get upset because you said only if in the highest good of all concerned. So you've made a commitment to your own well-being and the other person's. Because if you're not meant to be in a relationship, there's no point in dragging it out for the two of you. If, however, you are karmically meant to be in a relationship with that person, or you could think of it as the relationship is fundamentally strong, then this will actually strengthen the bond. So doing this will strengthen the bond and make it more powerful. All right, I'll show you a shortcut to doing this one. You can also just take your pendulum and say, highest good of all concerned, I send silver energy to the relationship between me and person X. I send blue-green energy to the relationship between me and person X. That's sort of the express method. If the silver analogy doesn't work for you, there are a couple other ways you can invoke this archetypal force of endings. So, for example, you could say, I send the power of the new moon to my relationship with person X. That's the same as silver. The new moon is the end of a cycle. Then you could say, I send the power of the sun at 3 o'clock in the afternoon to my relation to person X. That's the same as the blue-green that I mentioned before. All right, another way you can do it is by the seasons. You could say, I send the energy of the winter to my relationship with person X. So the winter is when things die, and it's a stress test. And only things that are meant to survive will make it through to the next spring. Anything that's not fundamentally sound or fit will not survive. Then you could say, after doing that, you could say, I send the energy of the summer to my relationship with person X. Because the summer is when things are thriving. It's the time of growth and life. So these are some different ways you can approach this. Like I said, it's an extremely powerful process. So just be ready. Don't do this unless you feel ready. Anyway, I've kind of gone on for a while. I gave you a little tip and trick. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.